I manifested 10 crores per month profit using this powerful technique called vision board. I've been using it for more than 20 years now, and all my goals are achieved using the vision board technique. In fact, I have taught this technique to more than thousands of my students, and almost all of them have achieved the results using vision board. Few results have not been achieved by some of these students, and I'll tell you why. Many of us make a big mistake in the way we make our vision board. That is why the vision board doesn't work. I have a mentor. His name is Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins says, when something is not working, it's not because the technique is not working, it's because you are not using the technique properly. So see, the vision board works, but when we don't use the vision board correctly, that's when it doesn't work for you. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps required for you to achieve your goals in 2026 with the perfect strategy of vision board and to avoid all the mistakes that most people make that doesn't let their vision board work for them. Make sense? Let's begin. Step number 1, the biggest mistake we make while making vision boards is we randomly take lots of pictures from the internet and we flood our vision board with those pictures, with cars, with homes, with pictures of hero, heroine, abs, all kind of crazy pictures. That is why vision board doesn't work, because vision board is not only about pictures. Vision board is about the vision that you want to have a life of in the future. So when you look at that vision board, it has to be an exact picture of your future life. So when you look at it every single day, you feel like you already have achieved that goal. Make sense? So rule number 1, whenever you want to create your vision board, first make a list of the exact goals that you want to achieve in your life. In 2026, what do you want to achieve? Now there are 4 areas of life where you can achieve your goals: health, relationships, career, and money. So be very clear when you start that in the year 2026, what health goals do you want to achieve? What relationship goals do you want to achieve? What career goals and what financial goals do you want to achieve? If you want to go for holidays, make a list of where do you want to go. Make a list of how do you want to go, what kind of travel do you want? Do you want a business class travel or do you want to go by bullock cart? Kaise jana hai? The more you clear about that vision, the more you will attract what you exactly want. In your career, what do you want this year of 2026? Financially, what do you want? Like in my case, I am very clear about my vision about my career, YouTube being part of my career, which is delivering manifestation programs. I want my 1 million subscribers. Say tathastu right now that it will be done very soon. And I'm sure it will be done very soon because I'm looking at it every day. But I'm clear about my career goals. Be clear about your financial goals. What do you want this year? One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to financial goals is we come up with some very crazy random number, which we don't even know why we want that number. Like I ask many times people when I'm doing a Zoom meeting during my advanced law of attraction workshop, where we dive deep into these topics. Many times I tell people, tell me in the chat, what do you want to attract? And people give me answers like 100 crores, 1,000 crores. Some people say $1 billion. And it has nothing to actually do with their 2026 goal. It is just like a random dream or a random idea that they've got by just looking at some other people's goals. किसी को देख लिया, उसके पास वो गोल है, अब मुझे भी चाहिए. I'll give you my example. I remember many years ago, I was standing at the airport and I was looking through this huge glass window and I saw this beautiful private jet over there. And I said, wow, I want a private jet. And I just added that to my vision board. But one day my mentor really asked me, he said, do you really want a private jet? कि वो उधर देखा, अच्छा लगा और डाल दिया. The first time I was really honest with myself and I said, yeah, maybe I don't necessarily want to work towards a jet. Maybe I want to work for something else in life which is more important to me. So rule number 1, be clear about what you want to manifest. And now, rule number 2, convert all those points into affirmations with emotions. Let me explain what I mean. Let's say you want to achieve in your health losing 5 kgs weight loss. Then your affirmation will be in the present tense, not in the future tense. You will not say, I want to lose 5 kilos weight in 2026. You will say, I have already lost 5 kilos in 2026. And I am feeling, now you need to add an emotion to it. Why? Your vision board needs to be full of these emotions that you have written on it, not just pictures. You need to be very clear. I have already lost 5 kilos in 2026 and I am feeling so healthy, light and strong. I'm feeling good about myself. Now when I look at myself in the mirror, I feel very good about myself. Isn't this what you would naturally say to a friend of yours after losing 5 kilos weight? That's exactly what you need to write on the vision board. So first write down that affirmation and now What do you do with the vision board? You convert this affirmation into a vision, make it an image. How? You need to take your real images. Again, mistake here people make is they download any image from the internet and just put it up there. Don't do that. Go to one of your past pictures in your life. I'm sure once upon a time, you did not have the body weight that you have today, right? Maybe in school, you were lighter in weight. Get one of those pictures, put it up over there so that you authentically feel, oh yeah, this is how I will look when I lose 5 kilos again. But now what people do is they take Salman Khan ka picture and they'll use AI, they'll replace their face over there. But their mind says, my body may not actually look like Salman Khan. Because you don't want to work towards that, right? You just want to lose 5 kilos. You don't want to make abs and make a 100 crore movie out of that. Be genuine, be authentic with your vision board. Listen, this is your life. This is your future that you're creating. Be honest with it. If you have a dishonest relationship with your vision board, how will your vision board give you that vision in your reality? It won't, right? So be honest with it. Step 1, again I'm repeating, clarity. Step 2, convert it into an affirmation. Step 3, real pictures have to be added. Now, let's take an example of your financial life. Let's say in your financial life, it's not only about making money, it's also about what you want to do with that money this year, right? Example, in 2026, you want to buy a car. Okay. Again, mistake people make here is they'll download a car image and they'll just put it on the vision board, and now there's no emotion attached to it. So what to do? Go to the showroom of the car that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy a Mercedes. Look for the color, look for the kind of model that you want. Go there, take a test drive, sit in the car and tell the salesman to take a nice picture of yours. And now put that picture on that particular vision board. I'm telling you, every time you look at the picture now, you'll feel awesome because it is so real. What did I tell you as a vision board? A vision board is not a random poster with just some random images on it. It's a vision of your future. Now, when you have your real picture on it from your past, where you've already lost weight, when you have your real image on it, where you are there in the picture, you're driving that Mercedes, the exact color that you want, the exact car that you want, now there's an emotion attached to it, right? And every image needs to follow for rule number 2. What was the rule number 2? Emotional affirmations. Not just affirmations, emotional affirmations. I've already bought this car in 2026. I feel rich every time I drive this car. I feel amazing every time I drive this car. This affirmation needs to be exactly below that picture. Third rule is about the picture which you've added over there, which are your real pictures have to be there. Fourth rule is very important now. Every day after you've created this vision board, go in front of that vision board every day and stand there and just be happy looking at these images. Now, before I tell you more about this step 4, here is another mistake that you must avoid. Many people will now come at the vision board, and this I've seen people doing this. They'll come to the vision board. For an example, they'll look at the 10 crores or they'll look at the 1 million. I'll give you my 1 million number. Like right now, as this video is going on, while I'm recording it, 1 million subscribers are not done. Now, mistake people make is they'll look at the image, they'll look at the 1 million number, and they will, while looking at it, say, Kab hoga yaar? I really want this, man. Khatam. Now the vision board will not work for you because you just told the vision board, this has not come true. What is the objective of the vision board? I'm repeating. The vision board objective is to show you your future as if it is already done. So when you look at the image, every time, stand in front of it. Look at it and say, wow, 1 million subscribers done. Feels amazing, man. Wow, can't believe it. And I do this many times. Every day, at least once, I and Indu, we come in front of the vision board. And because this particular goal is already done, we always come to this and say, can you believe it, Indu? We started with, Indu started with 800 rupees monthly salary. I started with, my first job salary was literally just 5,000 rupees a month in Bombay doing a direct sales marketing job. And today we've reached 10 crores a month. This is unbelievable, right? And we look at it and we feel happy and we talk about it and we say, look, 1 million subscribers done. Can you believe we started this channel with literally 0 subscribers and now look at it, it's done. 1 million people are subscribed and so many people are watching our videos, so many people are getting inspired by the videos. Talk about it. Feel as if it's already done. This is called activating that vision board as if it's already done. Now, what's happening while you're doing this process? In your subconscious now, there are neurological links being developed that this has become your reality. This is your current life, not your future life. This has become your current life. Now let's understand, why do you need a vision board for this? Because it's difficult to sometimes visualize the future without having a physical reality. Now, in reality, sometimes the million subscribers are not there. In reality, the 10 crores monthly is not there. But when you have a picture like this, standing in front of it, physically looking at it, feeling it as if it's done, reading that affirmation, which is the emotional affirmation, and saying, "Wah yaar, ho gaya." It is so easy to now feel it is done because it's in front of a picture. But now think about it. If this is a random image from the internet and not your picture, then nahi hoga na? I'll give you one last example. Let's say you want to get married, okay? And here you have some random picture of a wonderful looking model, a dulha and a dulhan. Now your subconscious says, yaar, ye to main hoon. I'm telling you, your subconscious is very powerful. You cannot lie to yourself. You can lie to the whole world. You can't lie to yourself. So the next time you're adding a picture like this, make sure that you put your picture over there. Now, who's going to be next to you there? I would say, keep a beautiful picture of a dulhan over there. In my case, if I'm a guy, I'm putting up a picture over there. And now, cover the face. Like, don't let it be visible. Don't put any beautiful model over there. My nephew did this recently. He's probably watching this video and saying, why my example? But anyway, so he did this. On his phone, he got a beautiful picture of an Asian girl from Singapore who's a supermodel over there. And just put that picture there. He said, I want a girl like this. Now, every time his subconscious looks at the picture, says, she's good, but way beyond my league. See, now there's negative thoughts happening because you know this doesn't relate to reality. But if you could leave that picture blank, that's so much real, right? Like right now, you don't know who she is, but you're using that image to say, I'm already married, I'm happily married, and then say that affirmation below that, it feels so good to be married. It feels so good to have a companion finally in my life. I feel secured in my relationship. I'm enjoying this experience of having a best friend with me 24/7. This is how you create a vision board and you activate a vision board. Now, last part is very, very critical. Many people say, I have been using a vision board for the last 1 year, but it's not working for me. Yes, it does happen, and I'll tell you why. When deep within you, there are emotional wounds going on, when deep within you, there are limiting beliefs going on, and you're looking at the vision board, try it. Everybody who says to me that my vision board is not working, I guarantee we look at the vision board and our emotions are negative. We look at the vision board and our beliefs are saying it will not happen because, and you'll have all these thoughts and all these beliefs about why it will not happen. These limiting beliefs need to be cleared. These emotions need to be cleared. That's what we cover in our Advanced Law of Attraction workshop. When people get really serious about making their manifestation work, advanced manifestors don't use only vision board. They use the depth of Advanced Law of Attraction to clear their emotional wounds, to create the powerful, empowering beliefs that are required to take action to achieve this vision. That's what we teach in our Advanced Law of Attraction course. But here is a gift for you. I'm giving away the first lesson of my Advanced Law of Attraction as a gift to you, 100% gift. Link is in the description below this video. Quickly click on it. I'm not sure that gift is going to be free for how long. So register now and I'll see you there where we learn more such advanced techniques. And hey, before you leave, I'm 100% sure you're going to achieve your goals using the vision board. And when you do, remember to share your results with me in the comment section. Come in the future to this video again, share your results in the comment section so I can also be happy looking at your comments and reading your results so that I feel good that I'm glad I made this video. Okay? So achieve your goals in 2026 and share the good news with me very soon.